Hi, I'm Azara, and this is advice and education from a licensed cosmetologist and certified makeup artist in New Jersey. I ran out of my color foundation today, and there's a quick tip I can tell you is you can mix foundations. So the foundations that you have in your drawer, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see. I have three different ones here. Three different colors. Three different colors. As you see everything in my background in here. Use it. So I'm gonna try it on here. Let's see. I'm gonna mix them together. I mean, it matches pretty well to me. And I know I look like a ghost, but be rest assured that if you once you start putting on your bronzer and your blush and all that stuff, which you don't really need that much of, once this sets in, that's gonna be perfect. Matches my neck. You want more tips? Go follow me, Azar Kabani, or my business page, Surely Yours. Love you.